Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to call anyone without showing your phone number. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your phone die pad. So I'm going to simply click on here, click on phone. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and navigate to career features. So click on career features. It takes you right here. Now, if you are using dual SIM phone, what you need to do is to select the SIM line you want to private. So I'm going to simply click on this particular one right here. Then it takes you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on additional settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on caller ID. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply select ID number. So it's as simple as that. So each time you are making call with this particular line, it's going to add your outgoing calls, and it's going to show private number on the recipient's call. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to call anyone without showing your phone number. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.